4 Igbo strategies to overcome laziness. Laziness is something we've all encountered at some point, as a lack of motivation to start tasks, stick to commitments, or pursue our goals with consistency. But within the wisdom of Igbo culture, there are powerful strategies that can help anyone overcome laziness, develop discipline, and find lasting purpose. Let's take a look at 4 strategies that can help and explore how they can improve not just your work habits, but also your personal growth. Akaraka. Find your purpose in life. There is a sense of purpose at the heart of every driven person, something that gives life meaning. In Igbo spirituality, Akaraka refers to your destiny, the unique calling that you were born to fulfill. When you discover your Akaraka, it fuels you to get up every day with energy and enthusiasm. It becomes your personal compass, giving you a reason to push through challenges. Without a purpose, even small tasks can feel meaningless, leading to laziness and procrastination. To overcome this, ask yourself, what truly excites me? What am I passionate about building or creating? How do I want to serve my community or honor my chi? Once you tap into your Akaraka, even the mundane parts of life become bearable because you know they are steps towards a greater purpose. Wanyo. Focus on small daily improvements. We live in an age of instant gratification where everyone wants results immediately. But the wisdom of wanyo teaches us to take things one step at a time. It means slowly, reminding us that success comes from consistent small efforts over time. Instead of overwhelming yourself by trying to do too much at once, focus on making minor improvements every day. This could be in form of starting with 1 hour of focused work, a single step towards a new skill, or honoring one small promise to yourself. These incremental gains add up. This approach helps eliminate the paralysis that usually comes from feeling overwhelmed by large tasks. Progress, no matter how slow, builds momentum. And before you know it, laziness gives way to action. Nso. Keep your personal taboos and promises. In Igbo spirituality, Nso refers to personal taboos, rules, or sacred boundaries that you commit to for your well-being and spiritual balance. They are not just external cultural rules, but also internal promises you make to yourself. Keeping these promises strengthens your relationship with your chi, your higher self, and increases your energy. Laziness can creep in when we repeatedly break promises to ourselves. It could be skipping that workout, delaying a project, or ignoring important tasks. Every time we fail to honor our commitments, we diminish our energy and confidence. But when you honor your word, you honor your chi. To apply this principle, write down a few key promises or goals for yourself. Stick to them for at least 90 days without breaking them, no matter how small they are. Celebrate each time you follow through. It boosts your energy and motivation. Sticking to your unso as a way of life can help cultivate discipline and integrity, which naturally combats laziness. Bambo. Take action without fear. Fear of failure or judgment can make one hesitant to start new tasks or projects. The Igbo concept of Ibambo encourages to push forward regardless, to take action even if it means being a beginner. This strategy reminds us that every master was once a student, and every great accomplishment began with a first step. Laziness masks deeper fears: fear of starting, fear of imperfection, or fear of being seen as inexperienced. But Bambo tells us that the only way to mastery is through doing. Even if you make mistakes, taking actions is what sets you apart. Start where you are. Don't wait for perfect conditions or for everything to align. This could be launching a business, learning a new skill, or simply getting out of bed to pursue your dreams. Just do something that adds to the overall value of your purpose in life every day. It is the doers who become masters, and every action you take brings you closer to becoming the person you want to be. Final thoughts. We can all overcome laziness by aligning with powerful strategies and principles that guide our actions every day. Akaraka helps you find your unique purpose. Wanyo Wanyo teaches patience through small steps. Nso helps to strengthen discipline, and Bambo encourages fearless action. So, the next time you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or tempted by laziness, remember to reflect on your purpose. Take small steps daily. Honor your promises to yourself and take action. Your chi is waiting for you to awaken to your fullest potential. Start applying these 4 principles and watch how your life begins to shift for the better. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.